Hi guys, this is Alana. We had a couple of questions on how to make the loops on masks more comfortable, and I thought I'd share with you a couple of tricks I use online. So step one, start putting on a mask with your ties untied. Make sure it's symmetrical on your face, and hold one of the ties behind the ear and find a place where they meet and they feel comfortable on your face. Not too tight, not too loose, just comfortable. Remember that spot you see here and just tie a knot. Here's my knot tied. I tied it here, simple knot, no bow tie, just a knot. Step two, proceed with the other side. Put on the mask, use the loop you already have, make sure your mask is symmetrical, and do exactly the same thing for the other side. Make sure the two ends meet here. The mask is comfortable, find that space, hold it, take it off, and tie another knot. And now, when both ends are tied, you put on the mask, first behind the ears, then the chin, straighten this out. You see, what I like about this is it doesn't pull your ear down. There is no bow tie or knot that keeps pushing your ear, making you uncomfortable. It's nice and comfortable and snug on your face, but not too tight. So it's a pretty comfortable situation. Thanks.